Welcome to the last tutorial for the HTML Basics 2 lesson. And this is 13 out of 16, and we're going to talk about aligning the text. It reads, often it is nice to be able to move the text around. To do so, we again use the style attribute, and then we use text align left or right or center to determine the location of the text. And here is your example. So in that case, they would want the H1 heading aligned in the center of the page. Instructions. Step 1. Make the H3 heading aligned center. So let's find the H3 heading. It's on line 7. Click behind the 3. Add your style, equal, quotation mark, text, hyphen, align, colon, center. And then make sure to close your quotation marks. And you'll see how favorite football teams was then moved to the center of your browser. Step 2 says make the first item in the list align left. So here's our first item in the list on line 9. Type in your style, equals, quotation mark, text align, colon, left, end quote. Okay. Step 3, make the second item align center. Center, end quote. And then last step 4, make the third item align right. Third item's on line 11. And there you go. You can see your 3 items. You've got centered, left, center, and right. Go ahead and click Save and Submit Code. In Lesson 14, we're going to learn how to make some text bold using the strong tags. It says, we can change the appearance of words. What if we want to make them bold? Oops. Surprise! We don't have to use the style attribute. Here are the steps. Identify the word or words that you want to make bold. And then you're just going to simply surround those words with opening strong and closing strong tags. Alright, step 1 says bold the word sing on line 7. So we're going to go to line 7. Here's the word sing. Now, to bold it, in front of it, we're going to insert the tag strong. And then behind it, don't include the quotation mark. You need to close the strong tag. Okay, step 2 says bold the word to on line 8. So we're going to do the same thing. Go to line 8, find the word to. Here it is. Go ahead and insert an opening strong tag before it and a closing strong tag after it. And you can see up here in the window, sing and to are both bold. Save and submit. In Lesson 15, we're going to learn how to emphasize words. So it says, aside from bolding words, we often want to italicize words for emphasis. Hint, hint. Like bolding, we do not need to use the style attribute. Instead, we're going to identify the words we want to italicize, and we're going to surround those words with an opening EM tag and a closing EM tag. So our instructions. Step 1, on line 7, italicize the word that. Line 7, here's the word that. So in front of it, I'm just going to insert an EM tag. And behind it, but before the exclamation point, I'm going to close the EM tag. And you can see over here that that word has been italicized. Step 2, on line 8, italicize the word so. So, EM tag before so. Closing EM tag after so, and now the so is emphasized. Go ahead and hit Save and Submit Code. Now we are on the final lesson in HTML Basics 2, 16 out of 16, and this one's really easy. It just summarizes what you've learned how to do in the entire lesson. You've learned how to make ordered and unordered lists, change the color, size, and type of the font, add comments, change the page's background color, align the text, and bold and italicize the text. This one is super easy. It says you're done with the lesson. All you have to do is press save and submit. Once you hit save and submit, you want to make sure that you take a snippet or a screenshot of your badge and turn it into Edmodo. Good job.